Are you tired of scrubbing your oven floor for hours? Catch the spills before they become stains with these reusable oven liners. These non-stick oven liners catch spills and drips before they become baked on messes, keeping your oven looking spotless. They're heat resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, a durable heat resistant coating reinforced with fiberglass fabric, and they are 100% BPA and PFOA free. Each pack includes 3 of the liners, and you can easily trim them to fit your oven, making cleanup so simple. Just wipe them down with a damp cloth or place them on the top shelf of your dishwasher and reuse them as normal. They are very multifunctional. Working great is baking mats, barbecue grill mats, drip trays, or even oven liners. One of the main reasons that I purchased these mats were to use them under my air fry basket in my oven instead of using the cookie sheet as a liner with the foil or parchment paper on it to catch the drips. It just makes the cleanup so much easier. You just wipe it down and you're ready to go and reuse. These liners are a simple and a hassle-free way to keep your oven clean without the scrubbing and the hassle. I highly recommend this product. They are a great addition and help save you time, money, and effort in keeping your oven looking spotless and clean.